Alright, you're recording.
This whole day's been a fucking mess. I broke my fucking glasses. I'm out here trying to find loose change to fix my plumbing problem. A simple fucking problem. Went crazy. I brought my bucket. As you can see, I tried to shit. Right here, you see I tried to shit. I missed my bucket and fell. Now look at me. I'm a broken man. Broken and broke. I ain't got no fucking money. Whew. I think we still got some beer. I brought Old Blue and Mist.